Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by enabling developer options and turning on USB debugging. This gives the PC permission to control the phone. Next, install ADB and SCRCPY on your computer so you have the bridge and the display app. Use a good USB cable and connect the phone. When the phone prompts, tap Allow for USB debugging. Once connected, open a terminal and run a DB devices to confirm the phone is listed, because if it isn't, SCRCPY won't start. Now launch SCRCPY with default or tuned flags. For example, SCRCPY, bitrate 8M max size 1024 to reduce lag on slower machines. This streams the phone screen via ADB, so lowering max size and bitrate improves smoothness. Once running, you can interact with the phone from your keyboard and mouse. If you prefer wireless, switch to a DB TCPIP 5555. Disconnect USB, then connect to the phone IP. However, expect higher latency, so use USB for the most reliable performance. To finish, close SCRCPY, and if desired, revoke USB debugging in developer options for security. If SCRCPY fails to detect the device, try a different USB cable or port, reinstall platform drivers on Windows, and run a DB kill server then a DB start server to reset connections. If you still see issues, capture logs with a DB logcat while launching SCRCPY and check the terminal output for errors. These details usually reveal permission or driver problems. Fixing those restores the only reliable mirroring method described here.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.